The season is about to end and we want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu siyanicela, please subscribe. We are left with only 1 month. Can we do it? I believe we can.
Welcome to Amavenzo on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by China.
As much as we travel and watch these games, we always discover so many things, and sometimes people will disagree with us much izinto. The last time I was here Galipologwane City, ngengasho ngathi Kaizer Chiefs ngayibambi Sundowns.
Sure.
Because of ngibone possibility the way Sundowns ebaslowly ngayo kwi attack iyakhona ukuthi i-defense Kaizer Chiefs isebenzise advantage yayo. It was a game of 2 halves. Kaizer Chiefs played well first half, and then umdu injury yakhe I think he costed Kaizer Chiefs. And Kaizer Chiefs somehow ifailile ukuthatha le game iwin the first half. Kaizer Chiefs was supposed to win the game on the first half. However, ayamanga kanjalo. Ucoach Samuel ulekhishile. There was no need ukuthi afake uSerino. Userino has never given Kaizer Chiefs anything. We need to be honest about some players sometimes. Serino, even if ever Kaizer Chiefs management release, he can just release Userino because of for now we don't get anything from Userino. Yes, Duduzi was able to keep Mamelodi Sundowns defense busy, and then now after ephumile kuwekwa izi ukuthi iSundowns ibuye izospressa kwiside lead. Technically I will always say this, iSundowns is very good technically. iSundowns idlala nge-tactics, iSundowns everything, movement yabo iqala kwi-drawing board. The same thing abayenzile now, but substitute Umshishi. Umshishi was very slow, Umshishi was very flat, and then uNunez uyayazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is hard ukuthi i-defend ama-area balls. The same thing eyenze iSundowns yakhona ukuthi score. So ezinye zezinto you discover ukuthi Sundowns idlala nge-system. So i-system yabo abayisebenzise first half is the system abayisebenzise to control the ball. However, today bayisebenzise becabanga ukuthi they will score a first goal so that bakhona ukuyibamba Chiefs. iSundowns yayazi ukuthi even nakwi-ratio yabo they score from 1 to 3. It was their first game after 7 matches beqala uskora ku-3 goals against iPolokwane City. They struggled to score. So babonile ukuthi mabe introduce uNunez babuyela back to i-basic yabo kulapho u-allow Adams ukuthi adlale because of Adams i-Kaizer Chiefs beimpressile kwi-side le-Sundowns. So somehow sizozibona ukuthi izinto sizoyivuma iSundowns idlala kahle, but in terms of ukuthi ngawini league sisasho sathi the league is open besishilo naqala iPirates inayo advantage yokwini league, especially with the fixture. iSundowns now yodlala neSwelele. Swelele is not an easy team. iSundowns yodlala ne-TS Galaxy, and lapho ke mhlambi singasho ukuthi bano 3 points guaranteed because of TS Galaxy izinto zami kahle. I perform nayo. So somehow iPirates ine game ezoyidlala home nayo engabenza ye-Durban City. I think that's the hardest game engabenza ke ma isithile, but sasishilo sathi Kaizer Chiefs izayidecide the league. I think Kaizer Chiefs is about after these results izawubuya ukuthi kule results namhlanje bayidecide the league. Siyabonga bafethu.
Thank you, China.